welcome to Gigi's Vlog. As you all know that health is paramount and is a non-negotiable aspect of our life. In line with that thought, I decided to take this vlog at an Ayurvedic treatment center which is located in Vignanagar. The name of this treatment center is Ayurveda Sauda. It's in Bangalore. I'm including the precise location details in the description box below. In these times, when adulteration is omnipresent, Ayurveda comes as a big respite in terms of the purity it brings. Personally, I am in favor of Ayurvedic treatment because most of the medicines are made from natural ingredients. That way, it is trustworthy and reliable. This is the entrance of Ayurveda Sauda. It's an independent two-storied building where treatment rooms are there on both the floor. Doctor consultation room is on the ground floor as well as pharmacy. Each treatment room have private bathroom attached to it and it's very clean and neatly maintained. This is the reception. Now I am going to first floor. There are stairs on the left hand side of the reception which leads us to first floor. Treatment rooms are available on the first floor as well. What you are seeing now on the screen is called as wooden pathi. It's made of venga tree. Also there is a Shirodhara stand and a brass container for holding the oil required for Dhara treatment. And this is a steam chamber which is used for providing steam bath. There's a chair placed inside this where the patient can sit comfortably and enjoy their steam bath. There's also a lamp lit here to provide a divine feeling. This door, what you see here, leads us to a bathroom. So you can freshen up yourself after the treatment. They have sufficient storage also provided inside the room to keep all the required things. Also there's a stove to heat up the medicine. What I like most is the LED lighting setup provided there. During the treatment, they play soothing music and only this LED light will be on. Also, they provide you all disposable towels, hand sanitizer, soap, mask, etc. So, I'll quickly show the consultation room. It's on ground floor, right next to pharmacy and reception. Once you enter, on the right hand side there is a bed and on the left hand side there is seating arrangement. Let's meet the founders of Ayurveda Sauda. It's run by a couple, Dr. Vinaya and a husband Vipin. Could you please tell us on how you started your journey and something more about the center?
We have started our journey in the year of 2016, which is inaugurated by Honorable Minister Tikata.
Okay.
And we have all Ayurvedic treatments here. Along with we do have wellness and beauty therapies. And we have qualified and experienced doctors visiting us.
Okay.
And apart from that, in fact, we have doctors visiting from Kerala, from the Pagajagasturi Medical College.
Okay. Doctor, could you please tell us about the type of services you are providing here?
Sure. We have specialized treatments for lower back pain, arthritis, spondylosis, gastritis, and common respiratory thrust disorders like allergy and asthma and all. We are giving treatments for depression, anxiety, and other behavioral disorders. Under proper counseling sections, like we'll be conducting some 2 to 3 sessions, along with some internal therapies, internal medications, and Ayurvedic therapies like Shirodhara, Thalapodichil, etc. These all the sessions will be conducted under the proper we'll be maintaining the client secrecy as well.
Doctor, there's something which I've not seen in other Ayurvedic centers. Like here you are providing treatment for specially challenged children like autism and all. Can you tell us more about that?
Actually, for the autism and the challenged kids, and even for the hyperactivity or ADHD, attention deficiency, hyperactive disorders, in that case, generally the parents will be running behind the doctors, one or the other centers. But what is our motto is to give the genuine therapy associated with the other occupational and speech therapies, which is really needed for those kids.
Okay.
So we are getting good improvements in the kids as well.
Okay. Doctor, other thing which I've heard is about your beauty packages and your wellness packages. Can you tell us about that?
Sure. Actually, we have the beauty therapies and all like herbal facials and Navara facials, inclusive of bridal packages also we are doing here. So herbal facials is generally like to remove the dead skins and all. For the Navara facial is mainly for the elders like above 30 or 35 to nourish the skin. Okay. So it will be more good for the avoid the wrinkles and all.
Okay.
And bridal package, it will come like some 7 days of sitting just before the marriage. Generally, they'll plan.
Okay.
And other wellness packages inclusive of weight reduction therapy associated with the detoxification. So detoxification, it's like a 6 to 7 days of procedure, which includes minimal the purva karma of panchakarma, what we call. Okay, and weight reduction, it's like a 21 days of therapies. So including with detoxification and powder massage with the steam and kind of enema therapies, especially for the central obesity.
Okay.
More to reduce more tummies and thighs and all. It is very effective treatments. We are getting results like 8 to 10 kgs weight loss and all. If the patients are properly, if they are following with the proper food restrictions and other diet or other exercise plans and all.
That's interesting. So when it comes to the facial, I myself have tried the Navada facial here. I found it really good, and that's something which I would like to recommend to others as well. Now let's meet Supriya and Shiva Prasad. Both of them are working at Ayurveda Sauda primarily as therapists. They have more than 5 to 6 year experience in this field. Earlier, the center had 5 to 6 therapists. Due to COVID, they are operating with limited staff, wherein Supriya and Shiva Prasad have taken up additional responsibility to support this center. During COVID times, most of us are working from home. It's also very important to do exercise. And most preferred one is open air exercise like either walking or yoga. Ayurveda Sauda is conducting yoga sessions, and I have the trainer here with me. Her name is Kartika. She has completed her PG diploma in yoga science. What sort of yoga do you teach?
Here in Ayurveda Sauda, I teach Hatha Yoga. I'm trained in Hatha Yoga.
Okay.
So this is people to know even various new forms of yoga. I'm not against all of those, but they have the new forms of yoga like Power Yoga and likewise have been framed largely to cater to the needs of people who think that only if you work out a lot, sweat a lot, it makes benefit.
Right.
So you have to make things financially viable. So there are people who switch to those forms.
Okay.
Hatha Yoga, on the other hand, is a very pure, traditional form of yoga, and it is as given by our ancient texts, as given from scriptures, from Shiva Sahita, from Hatha Prakritika, and so on.
Okay.
So that is what we provide here, and in lines with Dr. Vinya's principle, the way she delivers her science in a very genuine form, I try, whatever little I know, I give it out to people as it is, without any dilutions or manipulation, and with a sense of prayer.
That's really great. So during COVID time, how are you taking the sessions?
Yeah, so because considering the issues with taking a group class, we have opened online options.
Okay.
So I usually conduct my class over Zoom.
Okay.
And we have a few batches with convenient timings.
Sure. We can provide the details to others so that it will benefit everyone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Kartika. Ayurveda Sauda has completed 4 years and you are stepping into the 5th year. And you built a good customer base by now. How did you manage that?
We are giving a lot of importance to the cleanliness of our center. Along with that, we are giving the quality Ayurvedic medicines. And in this current pandemic, we are strictly following the government rules, what our government says. And we have the consignment forms filled by who visit to us. And apart from that, we are using all the disposable items for our treatments. And then on top of that, the personal attention what we are giving to the customers, which is why the customers are again coming back to us. That's why we can hold the customers with us for so long time, as you said, the 4 years.
To add to that, during this COVID time, we have online consultations and medicine delivery at the doorsteps also we are doing. And about the medicines, we have Vaidyaratnam franchisee. Since 4 years we are using Vaidyaratnam medicines only. It is like more than 100 years of history is there for the Vaidyaratnam and all. So Vaidyaratnam franchisee and all other reputed medicines also we are keeping here.
It was nice interacting with both of you. Thank you very much for sharing all the details. I'm sure this information is going to be very helpful to all the prospective customers and for my viewers as well.
ഹായ്, എൻ്റെ പേര് സുജിത്ത്. ഞാനും എൻ്റെ വൈഫും ബാക്ക് പെയിൻ റിലേറ്റഡ് ഇഷ്യൂസിനായിട്ട് ആയുർവേദ സൗദയിൽ പല ടൈം ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റ് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഞങ്ങൾ ഏകദേശം 3 വർഷത്തിലധികമായിട്ട് ആയുർവേദ സൗദയെ ഡിപ്പെൻഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ ഞങ്ങളുടെ ഒരു എക്സ്പീരിയൻസിൽ വളരെ ഹൈ ക്വാളിറ്റി ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റ് ആണ്. ഞങ്ങൾ പല കോഴ്സസ് ഓഫ് ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റ് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, ഫുൾ ബോഡി മസാജസ് എടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട് പീരിയോഡിക്കായിട്ട്. സോ ഞങ്ങളുടെ എക്സ്പീരിയൻസ് ഇറ്റ്സ് എ ഹൈ ക്വാളിറ്റി ട്രീറ്റ്മെന്റും സർവീസും ആണ്. We are very much satisfied with the service, so we are highly recommending. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gautami. I'm working in Bangalore. So I would like to give some feedback about Ayurveda Sauda, which is located in Vignan Nagar, Bangalore. So I have a very dry skin. So I was applying every moisturizer every day. So I just wanted to rectify that. So I have contacted Dr. Vinaya in Ayurveda Sauda clinic. This was a referral from one of my friend. So the treatment, whatever they gave, was very nice, and the oil application, because of which now I am not applying any moisturizer. So my skin is completely all right. So thank you, doctor. Thank you, Dr. Vinaya.
I was having shoulder pain and I was not able to move my hand beyond a certain limit. So I consulted Dr. Vinaya in Ayurveda Sauda. She examined me and then she prescribed some medications as well as oil massage and pudikudi. So after taking that treatment, I am feeling much better now. My shoulder pain has come down and now I am able to move my hand more freely. So thanks to Dr. Vinaya and Ayurveda Sauda's treatment.
I am Pramodini and I am a teenager. I was suffering with my PCOS and have consulted many doctors. 3 years back I had visited Dr. Vinaya. So her approach was very good and I find the treatment really effective. Today I am happy and I find myself really happy because of it. So I would like to thank Dr. Vinaya.
I hope you found this video beneficial. In case you would like to collaborate with my channel on similar videos, do get in touch with me. You can either mention in the comment section below or you can write to my ID. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel